Good morning, children. Let's understand division method once again. Half part sent, half part not sent. This one. Just see here. Decimal one, how you will find out square root? Decimal number 0.000. So make it pair as before I taught. This pair. So 0 will go by 0. So first start from here. 2 ja 4. Okay, this 2 right here. 2 plus 2 4. Now note down this one. 29. Now which number? Unit digit is 9. So 7 ja. So divided by 7. 7 ja 49. 7 4 ja 28 plus 4 32. So it will cut. Okay. So the square root of 0.02 square root is 0.000729. So in this manner you can do. Okay. If asking in question correct to 2 decimal places, then you have to find out up to 3 decimal. But here division is over, so no need to divide it further. This division is over, it's okay. But in some cases question asks to find the correct to 2 decimal places, 3 decimal, 4 decimal. So always if asking 3 decimal, you need to find out up to 4 decimal, so that in round figure you will have to write in 3 decimal places. One more example I will make you understand how to find the root 2, root 3, root 4, root 5, root 6, root 7 square root. So one I will make you understand. Easily you can do other square root 3, 4, 5, 6 whatever you can find out easily. So first understand square root 2. How you will find out square root 2 value? So make a pair 0. 2 after put decimal. Okay. After decimal take a pair of 0, 0, 0, 0. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have taken 4 in pair. Okay. 0 I have taken in pair 4. 3, 4, 5, 6 whatever you can take, no problem. But I have taken up to 4. Because here asking correct to 3 decimal places. So correct to 3 decimal places. So that's why up to we have to find out 4 decimal places. Asking here 3 decimal, but you have to find out up to 4 decimal places, so that you will write in approximate, means in round figure you have to write. Let's see, first start from the first. Make a pair like this. It will go by only one children, right? So 1 1 ja 1. This one right here 1 plus 1 2 as it is. Now this decimal transfer here in quotient side. Put here. Now here is no decimal. This pair 0 0. Note down. Now which number you will just divide in rough side and find out which number it will go. So I have taken 4 because 3 3 ja 9, it will be very less. So 4 4 ja 16, 4 2 ja 8, 8 plus 1 9. So it will come 96. So this 4 I have written here, 4 here, right? Then here 4 plus 4 8, 2 as it is. Okay, subtract it as it is you have to do. Then 2 8 1. This again this pair will come down. Okay, then this pair of 0 also note down. This 0 0 0. Okay, now 1 1 ja 1, 1 8 ja 8, 1 2 ja 2. It will divide by 1 because if you will divide by 2, it will be you will get a greater number, more than 400. So it's better 1 1 ja you will have to divide. Same manner subtract it, you will get 1 1 9. Again this 0 will come down. Okay, this pair of 0, this 1 plus 1 2. Now which number you will take? Check out in rough side. 3 2 no. So 4, it will go by 4. 4 4 ja 16. Right here also 4. 4 2 ja 8 plus 1 9. 11296 you will get. Okay, just less than this number, because exact number we are not getting. Now subtract again. This 4 plus 4 8, as it is note down. Then divide it again. After decimal 1 2 3 decimal we have taken, so we have to take up to 4 decimal places, children. Okay, we have to see which number will come after that. Then again it will go by 2. So you will get the reminder. The division will never over, children. It will go further and further and further. But this type of square root division method, you have to see what number is asking here. 3 decimal places. But we have to divide up to 4 decimal. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because we have to make it round and write in up to 3 decimal places. Just see here. You will get the answer 1.4142. So see the last digit, children. Fourth digit. Fourth digit is 2, which is less than 5. So round figure would be, this one will become 0. Less than 5, we need not to increase 1. If it is 5 or more than 5, then 1 will increase to the other digit. You will have to give him, you will have to give it one number. So it will become 5. So 4, 1, 5. But here is only 2, which is less than 5. Okay. So less than 5, it will become 0 in round figure. So answer is 1.414. That is approximate. So see here, 1, 2, 3, up to 3 digit number you have to find. So in this manner you have to find out root 3, root 4, root 5. Okay, this is homework for you. You do it and show me in group. Root 3, root 4, root 5, root 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. This do it and show me. Send in group. I want to check everyone understand or not. Okay, children. So I hope it is clear to you. In 6th or 7th standard already you have studied how to round figure. You know na, after decimal 2, 4, if you have to make it round figure, so you have to see the last digit. It is less than 5 or greater than 5 or equal to 5. It is less than 5. So in round figure, this will not give 1 here. So 1.20. This will be in round figure. Okay. Suppose 1.25. 5 or equal to 5 or more than 5. Then it will increase. You can increase 1 to the other digit. So 1.1 increase, 2 plus 1, 3. So this is approximate. So in this manner you have to do in round figure. I hope it is clear to you. Just see here, like that 7 number you have to do, children. Find the square root of 7 correct to 2 decimal places. Then use it, find the value correct to 3 significant digit. First you have to solve, children. And how you will solve this? You have to make it a rationalize. How you will do rationalize? Just see here. To just this root system and under a square root also. So you have to make it rationalize. Rationalize the denominator. How you will rationalize? Just see here. In numerator and in denominator, with the same denominator, you have to multiply and divide. This is known as rationalize. But only change is, if in denominator negative sign, you have to take a positive sign. If it would be positive, you have to take a negative sign. In numerator and denominator both same. Okay. Here 4 minus root 7 minus, but you have to take a plus sign here. So you have to multiply and divide with the same number. 4 plus root 7 divided by 4 plus root 7. Okay. Now this multiply, children. When you will multiply 4 plus root 7, 4 plus root 7. So 4 plus root 7 whole square you can write, 2 times written. And down here you can, you remember the formula, a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So this will fulfill the formula, a plus b into a minus b. So in place you can write a square minus b square. So a square is 4, 4 square, and b square is root 7, that is root 7 whole square. So 4 4 is 16 and root 7 into root 7. You will write root 7 into root 7. So it is in square root, so it will cancel out and only it will left 7. So square will divide. You know na, already taught, this root will cancel out, only 7 will left. So write down like this here, root 7 into root 7, only 7. and up 4 plus root under 7 whole square. Okay, so this root and this square will cancel out. Under the square root you can write this minus 9, under root you will write 2 times it is, so root this square and this root will cancel, only 1 will come out, 4 plus root 7, and this 9 square root is 3, 3 3s are 9, so square root only 1 you have to write here. Understood? Now you can find out root 7. Just I have taught root 2 how to find, like that same you have to find out root 7, and then the value you have to take here correct to 3 significant digit. Only up to 3 digit you find out here, and then add with 4 plus 4 and then divide by 3. You will get the exact answer. I hope it is clear to you. Easily you can do it. In the same manner, 8 number also you can do it. Find the value of root 5 correct to 2 decimal places. Only 2 decimal you have to find out. But first of all you have to do rationalize. 3 minus root 5 divided by 3 plus root 5. So first of all you have to rationalize, children. Rationalize or not? Yes, rationalize it. How to do? 3 minus root 5 divided by 3 minus root 5. Why negative? Because here is positive. Just alter. Now multiply both this one, this 3 minus root 5 whole square, 2 times written, and here divided by a plus b into a minus b. So directly use formula a square minus b square. So in place of a write 3 square minus root 5 whole square. Now 3 minus root 5 into whole square divided by 3 3s are 9 minus root 5 into root 5, only 5. Root and this square will cancel, only 5 left. Okay, now what is left? 3 minus root 5 whole square divided by 9 minus 4, 4. So isn't it easy, children? What you will do now? It is, you have to do first root 5 division method. Root 5 you find out 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, only up to 2 decimal places. So up to 4 digit 4 number you take it and just divide it. What is the value up to 2 digit number? Put here and then subtract and then square root and then divide. Understood, children? Easily you can do it, no problem. Rest of the question 9 10, find the square root of this. So this is a very big number. How you will do this one? Big number. So nothing you have to do. Just by prime factorization, by division method find the square root and then put the value and divide it. Okay, in same manner all you have to do. This also. First 108 find the factor by prime factorization. This also by prime factorization. If it will not go by prime factorization, then use division method. Understood? This also you can do. Find the square root of 7.832 correct to 2 decimal places. Correct to 2 decimal places only. Square root you have to find out. Up this 2 decimal 0.83 only. It will become 0. 7.83 take and find out the square root. Okay, or first find out square root up to 2 decimal places. First find out square root, then up to 2 decimal places. Okay, if you are not able to do, then I will solve and send picture in group. Okay, do it first.